All right, guys. Well, little by little, we've been plugging away. I've been plugging away, working on the coach. Got some interior things done. We'll do a little short on that. Not done completely, but we're working on some things on the inside, as well as down in the front bay. So let's take a look at what we got going on in the front bay. All right, so as you know, we've been working on extending the front end over here, but as you can just get a glimpse over, we've actually done some more remodeling over here. I cut some more out and made some more room for the Multiplus 2 over here, and I gotta tell you, I cannot be happier with how this came together. We just back up a little bit so you can get a little bit better view. We cut out the upper framing up there for the old over-the-road air system that was in the coach. That hasn't been in here. Any bracketry and stuff that was left down in the pans down here, we took all of that out anyways. So we opened this up a little bit. Now I did leave the top of the diag back in here for a little bit of structural support, so we have still some support for our cabling system for our exterior door. Everything is still good and strong, and we just gained a buttload of room for the Multiplus 2, so I can't be happier, honestly, the way this is turning out. So we're going to keep plugging away at trying to get this bay area done, as well as trying to get some of the interior stuff that I mentioned put together. And then we're going to finish up the inside as well. We've got a whole lot of work to do inside yet. We're going to get the bathroom finished up. We're going to get the master bedroom finished up, the trim work in the bunk room. We got a good amount of work that's going to go on the interior as well. So slowly we're going to start plugging away at all this and get the coach back up to 100% so we can take it out and have some fun with it. Now, if you haven't already, guys, hit the subscribe button. We generally appreciate any and all of you that do follow along on our journey. I know that we don't post all that often, but when we do post, it means a lot to us to have any interaction that we do get. So if you're interested in coach, bus building, traveling, etc., as soon as we get some more work done on this, we will be going around and doing some more traveling stuff because, as you know, the kids got bikes now and they want to ride, so we're gonna hit up some tracks. We got to get a trailer for behind the coach yet. It does already have a hitch set up and trailer lights and all of that on the back, so all we got to do is get a trailer to put on the back of it, and we'll be going to some tracks with the kids. Stay tuned.